Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Minecraft internal exception. So the java.io exception error. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So before we are going to go to the troubleshooting methods, let us go through first the possible causes of Minecraft error that so this error right here, so the java.io exception. So these are the following or for the following possible reasons. So first is the weak in and intermittent internet connection and also low storage on your hard drive. The antivirus application is blocking Minecraft and other files associated with the game, and the Minecraft does not have permission to access or make changes to its files, and lastly, Minecraft files are missing or corrupt. And then now we are going to go to the troubleshooting methods to fix the Minecraft error. So first one that you can do is to simply reboot your internet router. So rebooting your internet router will clear your connection settings, stop malicious network attacks, and remove any unauthorized connections from your network. So restarting your connection will also fix various speed and connectivity issues such as the Minecraft internal exception error. And then next what you can do is you can reboot your computer or your device. So when you restart a computer, all device drivers are unloaded, all programs are closed, and operating system is restarted. So in the course of regular usage or as a troubleshooting procedure to remedy a problem, you may need to reboot your computer, and both Windows and Mac OS provide options for you to do so fast. And then you can also try reinstalling a fresh copy of your Minecraft. So if the steps that I have showed you did not work, you can try this next step right here. So uninstalling the current version of the Minecraft from your computer and installing a fresh copy of the game may solve the error. So I am going to show you the steps on how you can do that. So first, you just need to hold the Windows plus R keys on your keyboard. So as you can see here in the photo, and then just type the command right here, the app wiz.cpl on the run command line, and just press the enter. So again, it is the app wiz.cpl. So type that in your command line and then press enter again or OK. And then next in the list of applications, just look for the Minecraft and then click the uninstall. So click the Minecraft section and then click the uninstall buttons available on the upper part of your screen. So you should see that on the upper part of your screen. And then while waiting for the process to complete, you just need to go to the official website or official website of the Minecraft to download a fresh installer. Just select the appropriate installer version for your computer, and once Minecraft has been removed, you can go to the installer file of the Minecraft and install the application as usual. So install a fresh copy of the Minecraft and launch the game and see if the error message has been fixed. And then if this process didn't fix the problem, you can go ahead and do the next, which is to temporarily disable the Windows Defender. So in some cases, Windows Defender will quarantine files that aren't harmful. So these files are referred to as false positives. So if a Minecraft file is recognized as a false positive, the program may fail to function correctly, resulting in a crash. So to see if Windows Defender is the issue, turn it off momentarily. So I'm going to show you the steps on how you can do that. So open the Windows Defender by clicking onto the Windows button and then just type the Windows Security and press enter. So just click onto the virus and threat protection on the Windows Security homepage, and then under the virus and threat protection settings, just click manage settings. Then after that, disable the following options right here: the real-time protection, cloud delivered protection, automatic sample submission, and the tamper protection. And then that's it. That's the last step on how you can turn off your Windows firewall temporarily for this error. And then if this process didn't still fix the problem, what you can do next is you can try to allow the Minecraft through the firewall. So if your firewall blocks Minecraft, it may lead to Minecraft error internal exception, the Java IO exception. So here's how to get the Minecraft to work around your firewall. So first, just hold down the Windows plus R keys on your keyboard and just type in the control firewall.cpl in the run command line. So as you can see here in the photo, then after that, in the firewall window, click on to allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. And click on to the change settings and put on check on both the private and public. And for all the apps with the name this Java w.exe, Minecraft, and Java Platform SE binary. And if you cannot see the Minecraft application on the list, just click on to the allow another app. So as you can see here in the photo, just click on to that, and then after that, click on to the browse and go to the folder of the Minecraft and select Minecraft launcher. And after selecting the Minecraft launcher, click on to the add button. So just follow here through the photo in the presentation, and once it has been added, you will be brought back to the main window of the Windows firewall. And after that, click on the OK, click on the OK to complete the steps. And once you have completed all the steps, launch Minecraft and see if the Minecraft internal exception java.io exception error have been solved. So that's it for this video. Remember, you can always pause this video, go back to the video, and follow the steps at your own time. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.